What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. We are doing an updated review on our tree trimmer. This is our Ryobi tree trimmer. It works great for, I'd say, small to medium sized branches, but we're also going to use this to trim down our much smaller branches, and we're going to demonstrate it for you guys again. But I give this a 9 out of 10. It's been phenomenal. It's been working great. Haven't had any issues with it so far. So this is our second year of using it. So yeah, let's get started. Dead battery.